Do you want to speak English confidently?
Today's story will show you how easy and fun learning English can be.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back.
This is Simple English Lab.
We are happy you are here.
Please subscribe
Please like.
and please share.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Today's topic is very useful.
What is the topic?
Today's topic is essential English conversation. Daniel, do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
Oh, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I do. I use my phone alarm.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do. I sleep at 10.
That's good. I sleep late, sometimes after midnight.
That's late. You need more rest.
Yes, I know. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I drink tea.
Every morning?
Yes, every morning.
Do you make it yourself?
Yes, I do. I make tea before breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I eat eggs and toast.
That's healthy. I skip breakfast sometimes.
That's not good. Breakfast gives energy.
I know. Do you exercise in the morning
Yes, I do. I go for a walk.
every day?
Almost every day.
That's great. Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, I do. It makes me happy.
I should try that too.
You should. It's good for health.
After walk, what do you do?
I take a shower.
Then breakfast?
Yes, then breakfast.
Do you work after that?
Yes, I do. I work from home.
Lucky you, I travel to work.
Oh, do you take the bus?
Yes, I do. It takes 30 minutes.
That's not bad. Do you listen to music on the bus?
Sometimes, yes, it helps me relax.
That's good. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. A little bit. Every day.
Great. Practice makes you better.
Thank you, Daniel. Do you study too?
Yes, I do. I listen to English podcasts.
Nice. Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I do. I love learning.
Me too. It makes me happy.
Learning something new every day is a good habit.
Yes, it is. Do you sleep early? Every night?
Most nights, yes.
You are very disciplined.
I try my best.
I want to be like you.
You can start with small habits.
I will. Tomorrow I'll wake up early.
Great idea, Emma. I'll check on you tomorrow morning.
Haha. Okay, Daniel. Deal. Daniel, it's very cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very cold.
Do you like cold weather?
Sometimes, yes, I like it. When I stay inside with a warm drink.
Oh, I see. I like cold weather. If it's sunny.
Sunny? Yes, that's nice. It feels fresh.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I do. Snow is beautiful, but it's hard to walk sometimes.
True. Last winter I slipped on the ice.
Oh, really? Were you okay?
Yes, I was fine. Just scared.
That's good. Do you like rain?
Yes, a little. I like light rain, not heavy rain.
Yes, light rain is nice, but heavy rain is difficult.
What about wind? Do you like windy days?
Not really. Strong wind makes it hard to go outside.
I agree. My hair goes everywhere. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, I know. Do you check the weather in every morning?
Do you wear warm clothes in winter?
Smart. I check it too. Sometimes on the news.
Me too. I feel cold easily.
Yes, always. Coat, scarf, gloves, everything.
Do you like autumn? The season before winter?
I like that too. It's calm and nice.
Yes, the leaves are beautiful. Orange and yellow.
Summer is hot, too hot sometimes, but I like sunny days.
True. I like summer because I can eat ice cream. Ha ha ha. Do you enjoy going outside in the cold?
Sometimes I go for a walk if it's not too windy.
Me too. I like short walks when it's sunny and cold.
Same here. Safe inside, warm and cozy.
Not really. It's scary. I stay inside.
Yes, always. Tea or hot chocolate. It feels good.
Me too. I love hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, that's perfect. Do you like winter holidays?
Yes, I like Christmas. It's fun with lights and snow.
I agree. Holidays are very nice in winter. My favorite is spring, but winter is beautiful too.
Oh, I like winter because it's peaceful and calm. Daniel, are you hungry?
Yes, a little. How about you?
I'm hungry too, very hungry.
You like breakfast? In the morning?
Yes, I do. I love pancakes with honey.
Oh, really? I like eggs. And toast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, almost every day. What about you?
Sometimes I skip breakfast. If I'm late,
Oh, that's not good. Breakfast is important.
I know I should eat more regularly.
Do you like fruits? In the morning?
Yes, I love apples and bananas.
I like oranges. They are sweet.
Do you drink juice with breakfast?
Sometimes orange juice or milk.
I drink milk every morning. It's healthy. I drink tea sometimes with breakfast.
I prefer tea too. Black tea, not too sweet.
Oh, really? I like it a little sweet.
I cook simple meals, rice and chicken.
I cook too, pasta or vegetables sometimes. I watch videos and try to cook.
Oh, nice. Does it turn out well?
Sometimes, ha 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 ha, sometimes not.
Ha 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 ha. I know that feeling. I burnt pasta once.
Oh, no, I did that too.
So we both love food in different ways.
Yes, food is very important. Daniel, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and articles.
Oh, really? What kind of books do you like?
Mostly adventure and mystery.
That's interesting. I like stories about travel.
Travel stories. Yes, they are fun.
Do you watch movies in your free time?
Yes, sometimes. Mostly on weekends.
Oh, which movies do you like?
Action or comedy. Sometimes drama.
Comedy, I like too. It makes me happy.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, laughter is good.
Do you play games in your free time?
Sometimes I play simple games on my phone.
I play too, mostly puzzles or word games.
Oh, that's good. Brain exercise.
Yes, it helps to think clearly.
Nice. I go for a walk too, if the weather is good.
Do you meet friends in your free time?
Sometimes, yes, we talk or have coffee.
That's fun. I meet friends on weekends. Do you like listening to music in your free time?
I listen too. It helps me relax.
Yes, I listen to soft music. Do you do any sports in free time?
Sometimes I ride my bike or jog.
I like jogging too. It feels refreshing.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, and healthy.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Not really, but I enjoy looking at art.
I draw sometimes, simple sketches, for fun.
Oh, nice. It's creative.
Yes, it makes me happy and calm. Do you cook in your free time?
Yes, sometimes simple meals or desserts.
I cook too. It's fun and relaxing.
That's good. Learning is important. Always.
Yes, sometimes, like new words or recipes.
I agree. It's a perfect time to relax and enjoy.
Yes, free time can be fun and useful. Exactly. Everyone should use free time wisely and happily.